Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a binary puzzle on this accession day. Uh, First day, May the 9th, 2024. And today we have no newspaper. So I've told you I will solve the rest of the puzzles of one of these past days. And yesterday we have no additional. Day before also no additional. On Monday also no additional. The last one is the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, May the 4th, May the 5th. And this puzzle page, we have one puzzle, and we have also an additional on this in this newspaper with 3 puzzles left. But first, let me start with this binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8501. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of double O's here. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And double O, here one, there one. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 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 Between 2 ones comes an O. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Then I'm then nope. Double one, here no, there no. Between those comes in 1. Okay. Between those comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then. We need to think now. We need to think. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Now we need to think. Well, I know in this column, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1 then. Okay. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's we have here. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place the 5th O there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. We have only one completed column with a double O here. 1, 1, double O, 1, 1, O, 1. Almost the same. Well. We have here 4 completed rows. This I cannot compare. 10. Now I need to find a way here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Overlook this double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 4 O's. Here. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Finish in 7 minutes. Wow. We solved again. This one 5 minutes. This one 7 minutes. Yeah. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in the additional of the Sunday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.